Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to create PDF from different document files into a professional looking PDF. So, if you have a Google Docs, a Word doc, images, Excel spreadsheet, and PowerPoint, we can quickly turn that into a professional looking PDF. Also, I will show you how to create a fillable PDF or interactive PDF. Let's get started. So this is our Google Docs already prepared, and we are going to convert this into a professional looking PDF. And the procedure for creating a document of a PDF format. Okay, now we have this Google Docs. So all you have to do is click the file and download as PDF. Okay, there you go. This is the PDF format of that Google Doc. Now we have a Word doc that we are going to convert into a PDF. So this is your Word doc. All you have to do is technically the same protocol, the same process. Just click on the file and then save as. So this is the location or the file drive location of your save document. So let us save. We're going to save on our desktop. And then just name your document for your reference. Word doc into PDF. And then save as type. Just look for PDF and just save. There you go. There is your Word doc converted into PDF. Let's move to image. So for example, this is your image and you want to convert that into a PDF format file. All you have to do is click on the print icon in here. It says print or Microsoft print to PDF, and then click print, choose the location. So if you want it to be saved on your desktop, and then the file name, so image to PDF, and then click save. So this is the image that was converted into a PDF file. Now it is a PDF file. So that is a saved version or PDF version of your image. And then another one is if you have a Excel spreadsheet. So this is an example of Excel. This is just an example for purpose of presentation of this video tutorial. So all you have to do is the same protocol. Click File, Save As, choose the location of your file, and then Save As. Look for PDF here and just name your file. So Excel spreadsheet to PDF. Okay, there you go. Now next is we have our PowerPoint. So this is a sample of a PowerPoint that I have created, or a simple templated PowerPoint, and we are going to convert this into a PDF format. So all you have to do again is click File, Save As, choose the location, so desktop. For now, this is PowerPoint presentation, and I would like to save it as PDF. All you have to do is look for PDF and save. There you go, a PDF format of your PowerPoint. Now I'm going to share with you how to create this PDF into a fillable or interactive PDF. So how are we going to convert a PDF into a fillable or interactive form? So I am using PDF Escape. It's for free and it's easy. It's technically just drop your file, the PDF file, and then convert that into a fillable form. And I will show you exactly how to do it. So we have now, I've opened PDF Escape. I'll put the link on our description box. We're going to choose a file from our PDF, and okay, this is a Word doc that I just created into a PDF file. And then you can see here different information that you need from probably your client or from anyone that you required information from. So for example, we have here, replace the recipient name with a form field here. So this, you choose a text, okay? Yeah. It is like asking for people to put name in here, okay? All you have to do is copy and paste for the next question, which is the title, okay? Duplicate again, and then company's name, and then recipient address in here, so duplicate again. Again, we are inserting form field in here. This is the form field, and you have different options in there. You can either put text paragraph, checkbox, radio, drop down, list box, reset button, and submit button. We will put more in here. So for example, you need to put let's just create another one. Okay, for example, you need to here in your last questions, let us just say for purpose of this tutorial, this is a question that will require a drop down choice of answers. So we're going to insert a drop down, okay, in here. Yeah. So this is your drop down, and we are going to insert some properties in here. So object properties, just right click on the form field drop down and click object properties, and we are going to enter some properties in there. So this name would be, so field options would be, let's say for example the choices are colors. We have black, orange, white, and pink. Let's choose. Let us put the instruction in here. Please choose and click OK. So in the drop down, you will see the inserted properties that I did a moment ago. Like I inserted black, orange, white, and pink, and you can see that in the drop down section in here. Here, you need to put another drop down choices of answers in here. So all you have to do is just duplicate that form field and insert. And if you need to change the properties inside, just click Object Properties and change. For example, the choices would be numbers. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and that will change. Please choose. Okay, hit OK. And you can see the drop down changes in here. So it become, now it has numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that is how to create fillable or interactive PDF using PDFscape. It's for free. You can use it anytime. Now, for us to save this and see how it looks like after creating it or converting it into a fillable form, let us just save it. Okay, just click in here, or okay, this is the save formats. It's auto save. So for example, here you can now see the space or the block wherein you can put the answers. Heidie-Fernandez. My title would be, for example, CEO, owner. Company would be Heidie-Fernandez Company. And you have a drop down in here. So you can choose 5, you can choose 6, and you can choose 7. There you go. That is our interactive or fillable form. Good luck.